good thing going backwards and forwards. Also, I've been having a ferret and a ferret. She's got a very sensitive sense of smell. So she especially does ferret. So we're mainly concentrating on Tamara and Pink, sorry. But when we go in there, just remember they are quite large animals, but although they're quite large, they don't realise how large they are. So just sometimes ears through. Because they sometimes step on your foot and don't realise they're doing it. So yeah, but what we do is we've got Tamara. If you want to leave that outside, we've got Gabby and we've got Tim as well. So they are a family group. Gabby and Tim are both 17 years old. Gabby's the mum, Tim's the dad. So they are built off naturally. But if you want to come up this way, we go and say